As expected, we see bratans Bitcoin right now breaking down. As I told you today in the morning video, I told you I don't think that we will hold here this 50 moving average, this blue line. We have to zoom out in order to understand what's happening with Bitcoin. And I told you that I expecting here that we will retest here this 200 EMA, this 200 moving average, and on the daily, this purple line, right? So in my opinion, I made here limit order for a long position at 21,800. So this is this could be a massive long opportunity. If I'm, wait a minute, I show you. So if we are going here in at 21,800 approximately and set our price target at 27,000 approximately. Why 27,000? Because 27,000 is our monthly resistance, and we set our stop loss slightly below 20k because I expect that we'll bounce on this purple line because it's a massive strong support, 200 moving average. However, we could see massive wick down to maybe even below 20k. So to be sure, I would set stop loss below 20,000. So this would be a risk reward at 2.58 risk reward ratio. If we do our stop loss, which would be much more risky, below our weekly resistance, so below below support 21,190, then we have even a bigger risk reward ratio at 6.5, right? 6.45. This is amazing risk reward ratio, by the way. You have to decide, do you want a day trade? Then the risk reward ratio should be slightly below the weekly, and 6.5 is amazing. Is it a swing trade? Then I would set below 20k, right? So very clear in my opinion, bratans. We see also the total crypto market cap is, as expected, as I told you today, going to retest this purple line, this 200 moving average again, and after I expecting here at 965 billion, the total crypto market cap, that we will retest here. Also here, in order to understand what is happening, we have to zoom out and we see this is a massive, you see resistance, support, resistance, and here again it turned into massive support line because it was a big resistance line previous. So I expecting here that we will retest, and this will be amazing because then we have here this double bottom, which allow us then to see Bitcoin skyrocketing, right? Also, we see S&P 500, our leading indicator. We saw a drop down here in S&P 500, and I'm expecting also S&P 500 here to retest the 200 moving average, this purple line, right? So this looks still amazing. I hope we will retest it, and after we will see here a big relief rally to the upside, because this 200 moving average line, this is the most crucial one. We could see also on this 20 moving average, we could see here on this red line a bounce. Let's see, doesn't matter. As soon as we see bounce on the S&P 500, is it the purple line 200 moving average or the red line the 20 moving average, we will see also Bitcoin running, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. Also DXY, the dollar, we see dollar looks amazing. Amazing for us, bad for the dollar, but you see we had a bounce here on this support line. As soon as we had here this bounce, I told you dollar will start running and crypto will go to the downside, right? Right now we're getting here rejected in our resistance zone, this green resistance zone. Maybe I make it even no, it's green, it's better because it's okay. I make it red. It's amazing. We're getting rejected, and we are forming here a double top, which is very bearish for the dollar, but very bullish for us, for crypto and for the stock market. So I'm expecting here the dollar falling down and crypto running to the upside. So this looks again amazing in my opinion. And as I told you about Ethereum has this Shanghai update. We are perfectly here. We have, wait a minute, I open here. We have here, I have to adjust a little bit. No, wait a minute. The daily support, you see this blue line is this daily support, is right now a little bit moved to the upside. It always depends. It always moving. It's not static, right? And the weekly support line, wait a minute, I have a little bit to adjust. The weekly support line is right now at the approximately at 1600, approximately 1600. So wait a minute, also our resistance, weekly resistance, is right now at around 1715. The blue line is the 50 moving average, right? So right now we can again, you have always to zoom out in order to understand what's happening here. So right now we are expecting here Ethereum, at least we see here a bounce between the weekly and daily support. This is amazing, right? And what we're expecting here that Ethereum will run at least to our monthly, weekly support resistance line. This would be a pump of over 70%. Also here, make sure if you are jumping here into a long, this could be amazing long opportunity. However, make sure, wait a minute, your stop loss, I show you quickly. If you are entering right now and your price tag is 1,800 approximately, make sure that your stop loss is best would be at 1,350, but if you want a very tight stop loss, you can make it, in my opinion, I would make it below this lower low, so below 1,460. I would make it maybe at 1,433. So we have a risk reward here at 2.1. Risk reward at 2.1. This looks amazing, bratans. By the way, here's my trade. My long is also still open. One long is open with 295% in profit, $7,800 in profit right now, and the other long is here exactly like I told you. I prepared here a long, set my long order at 21,800, my limit order, and I told you also this and more in our Telegram group, which is absolutely for free, bratans. Here I show you again, here you get all summary of my videos and I show you beforehand all the information because it's quicker. If you want to join, absolutely for free, and I have a Discord channel where you can learn trading. There's a crypto course absolutely for free. So this two things are absolutely for free. If you want to join, you can join it very easy. Link in the description, bratans. Make a registration on Bybit through my link. It's 10 seconds. Deposit $500 on your Bybit account, another 10-15 seconds, and then you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel within 30 seconds or 1 minute. I mean, it depends on you. This is the most valuable for free channel which is out in the crypto. I would even say one of the most valuable channels, which, because the most are paid, and I have also paid one, but this even more in depth and with a bigger team. But this one is even provide more value for free than other which are paid. In my opinion, not a financial advice. You can join, it's for free, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.